神保町都営三田線半蔵門線はお乗り換えです。
quick unboxing from Bungubox. So of course I had to get one of their special inks. I don't have a yellow ink yet, so I decided to go for the Van Gogh Sunflowers. It's almost like a really pretty gold. That's the lid. Sunflowers of Aries. And then I was on the hunt for a Sailor Tea Time Matcha ink, but that was limited edition, so I couldn't find that. So why not just get the Bungubox version instead? What is this one called? Not sure the name. And another thing at Bungubox is they have a little desk set up. So, and then they have a bunch of pens. They have like a big pen box with a bunch of trays, and they have all of their inks inked up in all those pens, and you can test them out. And yeah, you can see what they look like. So here's like a little sample. That's the actual color I got, Sunflower of Aries. And I was considering Le Malt, which is like a deep purple. And then also this one, Tsuyu Hikari. But yeah. So if you're not sure, you can always test it out. And then, what else did I get here? So this is a Quartier Latin Jimbocho. Jimbocho is actually the station that you're gonna take if you go there. It has a little coffee and pen. Love that. Two things I love. And then I got a Bungubox exclusive notepad. And it has a little fox. It's kind of giving Pikachu. And then a lot of so what Bungubox does is they do these custom urushi makie paintings on sailor pens and even some Tweetspeed pens. I already spent a lot on pens, so instead I got one of these converters. So the first one I got was Sakura, because one of the pens that I got actually has Sakura and maple leaves on it. So I thought that would be perfect for that. So beautiful. I think what you're supposed to do is put it in one of these clear pens so you actually see it. But for me, I don't know. I don't mind that it's hidden. So it's only me that knows it's there. And I kind of like that. And then the second converter I got was of a goldfish. So pretty. And then, yeah, I just took a couple of their cards for ephemera. And then, yeah, that's it. That's all I got from Bungubox.